Hey guys, what's up? Back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to create your channel banner. I just made a channel banner by using Color and PixArt. First, you want to download PixArt. Oh, if you want to see my banner, here it is, right there. And if you do want to download, you have to download PixArt. Then you got to click the plus. This works on iOS and Android. So then you gotta click. Then you gotta click Color, and you gotta download from the App Store. Then you make sure you have your width 2048 and height 1152. If you don't do this, your channel banner will not work. And I'm also doing this on mobile, and there's something. So you got to download Google Chrome as well. If you don't have Google Chrome, download Google Chrome. So after you put it in it, you click the arrow. Then you click that little. You see that little picture with a plus next to it? Click it. Click on what you have, on what picture you want to use. There you go. You got your picture. Then you click check mark. Then you click the arrow. Then you click save. Saved image. So then you got to go to PixArt. And you want to click this one. So as you see, it's the same height. Then you can add text. You can do whatever you want. It says your banner. So add anything you want. So I'm going to add subscribe. Oh wait, oops. Subscribe if you're new. After you do that, you can click the check mark. And you see it's just white. So then you can click color. And then you can scroll and click what color you want. I'm going to pick red. And you can scroll again. You can click, when you get to texture, you can do that. But your color will be gone, and see, it's all different texture. So after you click apply, click next, you click save to photos, and you click done. So after you do that, you're gonna wanna put it add it to your channel. So you want to go to Google Chrome. It has to be Google Chrome, not Google Chrome. Then you want to go to youtube.com and click go. Then it'll take you, and make sure you sign in. Then you want to click these three arrows on the bottom. Then you want to click request to desktop. Then you'll be in desktop mode. Then you want to zoom in, click this pencil icon, click channel art. Then you want to zoom out and click select photo from your computer. I'm going to say photo library. Then you're going to click that. Then the photo you just made. Then you'll do that. And it'll show you how it would look. And if you don't do 2000 to 42, I think, and 1152, wait, I think I'm confused. What is it? Let me check, guys. I forgot. Oh, 2048 width and 1152 height. Then it should work. So, hope this tutorial helped you, and peace out.